What is a variable? A variable is a named storage location in the computer's memory used to hold a value. You can think of it as a labeled box where you can store data, like numbers, text, or more complex objects, so that you can use, access, or change that data later in your program. Unlike some other languages, you don't need to explicitly declare a variable's type in Python. A variable is created the exact moment you first assign a value to it. Example, age equals 25. Rules for naming a variable in Python. To keep your code readable and ensure the Python interpreter understands what you are doing, you must follow strict rules when naming variables. 1. Start with a letter or underscore. A variable name must begin with a letter, lowercase a to z, uppercase A to z, or an underscore character. 2. No numbers at the beginning. A variable name cannot start with a number. 3. Allowed characters. After the first character, variable names can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, lowercase a to z, uppercase A to z, 0 to 9, and underscore. 4. No spaces or special characters. You cannot use spaces or symbols like @ hash, $, %, or minus in a variable name. If you need a space, use an underscore instead. This is called snake case. 5. Case sensitivity. Variable names are strictly case sensitive. Score, and score are treated as 3 completely different variables. 6. No reserved keywords. You cannot use Python's built-in keywords as variable names because they already have specific meanings in the language. Examples of reserved keywords include if, for, while, class, true, false, def, and import. Examples. Here are 2 valid and 2 invalid examples of variable names in Python. Valid variable names. User underscore age starts with a letter, uses an underscore instead of a space. Underscore score 2 starts with an underscore followed by letters and a number. Invalid variable names. Once underscore place. Invalid starts with a number. Total dollar amount. Invalid contains a special character, $.